I'm Jen with Cheese_San Diego, and I'm with Brian, the owner of Rhythms and Waffles in PB. How are you, Brian?
I'm good. I'm hanging out here in PB, so it's always nice.
All right, so I just want to know, what are your two favorites you like to serve to your customers?
My two favorites are the chicken and waffle plate. It's our chicken and waffle plate here. It's our crispy chicken tenders with our Belgian waffles.
All right.
And then our chicken and waffle sandwich.
All right, looks good. So come out in PB and support.